Hello. In this lesson, we will learn how to remove video shake using the CapCut app. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by hitting the subscribe and follow button and a like, and share this clip with friends. If we open the CapCut app as usual, then we press in this place, and here all the videos on your phone will appear with you. For example, I will share this video and you can add other videos. So I will just stop with this video until I apply the explanation above. After that, you press here, and here in this place the video will appear. So should I drag once or a bit to this place, for instance, then we proceed once on the video. Down here some options or tools will appear, so we will drag to this the option or this tool. As you see, then we will press on it and remember its slogan. After that, we'll loop to this place. After dragging it to this spot, lift your finger off the phone and then cover this. And now we proceed to drag to the village. I'll ask in the video. You will find a certificate. The application is available here. It's a short video that if halved, I will cut through it. Then we cover this good and then saves the video on your phone after selecting the quality. Then you cover this spot to extract the video to your phone. If you reach this point, don't forget to watch this playlist. You will find some important explanations that you will benefit from. Goodbye.